Hi! It's the beginning of the year and it is also the season where everybody's planning for their fitness resolution. But in this video, instead of sharing with you on how to make your fitness resolutions, I will be sharing with you tips on how to stick with your fitness journey. So if you're interested to listen to, stay with me on the rest of this video. So we'll be starting with number 1, SMART planning. SMART planning is an acronym for specific, measurable, attainable or achievable, realistic, and time-based. So if you have your pen and paper with you, do this with me. So S, for specific, write down your specific goal. Choose a specific goal. It could be aesthetic, which means you want to lose fat, you want to gain muscle, you want to have toner glutes or butt, or it could be a performance goal. A performance goal means you wanted to do a proper push-ups, for example, or you wanted to perform certain repetition for pull-ups, or it could be also a mind-setting goal. Mind-setting goal, you wanted to lessen your anxiety, if to lessen your depression, or distress yourself. Next is measurable. Measurable means number, and number is math. If you don't want math, stay with me pa rin kasi you won't be computing any algebraic calculations in here. So when I say measurable, it means you have to put a number on your goal. So for example, I wanted to lose weight, and how much weight do you want to lose? And for example, I want to lose 1 kilogram to 5 kilogram. Put a number on it. Or if you want a performance goal, you want to do proper 10 push-ups, or you wanted to last or endure a 2-minute planking or a 5-minute planking. So other will say name it, and in this fitness journey, I would say number it. Okay, next is attainable or achievable. Attainable or achievable in layman's term is something na kaya mong ma-reach. Kaya mong ma-reach. When I say na kaya mong ma-reach, it is some place na hindi siya sobrang dali at hindi rin siya sobrang hirap for you. So it's like the Goldilocks zone of your fitness level. Diba sa galaxy? The Goldilocks zone is somewhere in the galaxy that is not too hot and not too cold. It's just right. So the Goldilocks zone for your fitness level is something na not too hard and not too easy. It is some place na you know for yourself na you can be challenged out of your comfort zone but still inside of your safe zone. Next is a realistic goal. Yan. So, realistic is when you can achieve with the time given and the effort that you are willing to exert. Marami sa atin ang nagugulhan, pinagkaiba ng specific goals, realistic goal. So, realistic is something na makatotohanan. Makatotohanan in a sense na you know for yourself that you cannot lose a 1 kilogram in 1 week. But the most holistic way to lose weight in a week is ranging about 0.1 pound to 0.5 pounds depending yan sa intensity ng workout mo during the week, and depende rin yan sa nutrition na kakainin mo during the week. So, realistic, it means connected din siya sa something na achievable, attainable. So, you have to define or you have to know what's possible and impossible. Next is time-based. Time-based is setting your timeline. How long or how short do you want it to achieve this goal? So, pwede yang long-term or pwedeng short-term. So, pwedeng short-term goal for this week, I wanted to do a 5 standard push-up. Or short-term would be, during this week, gusto ko na makapag-plank na ako ng 2 minutes or kahit 1 minute at least. So, time-based, bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng deadline. Because you know, alam naman sa sarili natin na if we don't give ourselves a timeline or a deadline, most often than not, magiging complacent tayo or pwede nating isang tabi, pwede nating hindi i-prioritize kasi hindi naman due date diba? Parang wala tayong inaabangan na date. This is the day na ma-reach ko yung goal na yun. And as the saying goes na, you won't reach a target because you are not aiming one. Alright, number 2 on how to stick with your fitness journey is to start small and go with the basic. Remember that starting with the small step can lead you closer to your fitness goal. There are a lot of fitness videos across the internet, and as a starter, sometimes it can be very overwhelming because sometimes hindi match yung fitness level natin dun sa fitness level ng pinapanood natin. So, just go with the basic, go simple with the squat, lunge, walk, push. We call it the 7 primal movements. I will be sharing this on the other separate video for more detailed one. So if this is too much for you, just choose a specific activity, physical activity that you enjoy most. Any physical activities. It could be dancing, it could be biking, it could be hiking, volleyball, badminton, you can run with the dog, or play with your kids, for example, or kung wala ka pang anak, mga pamangkin mo, diba, best tita of the year. Start small and gradually progress. 'Di ba? Wala namang big thing na nangyari na big thing kaagad eh, 'di ba? Everyone, every achievement, every success is started from a small step. Started from the beginning. Lahat yan fresh from zero, and then gradually progress into achieving with their goals. But remember, the goal is there. And sometimes if you feel you wanted some rest, recovery, then do so. So don't go hard on yourself, just go simple, just go basic, and just gradually progress. Alright, number 3 on how to stick with your fitness journey is to show up. Be present. Nandun ka, dumating ka, nagpakita ka. Just like any attendance that you need to be attending into, parang sa school lang yan eh. If you want to do well, be present. If you want to learn more, be present. If you want to outstand, be present. And if you want to learn and progress, be present. Take every opportunity to keep yourself present on your fitness journey. And I'm not saying that be there lang physically, but also be there mentally, emotionally, because fitness is hindi lang siya physical. Well, I'm not saying that you need to be on a perfect attendance. Sino ba naman na perfect attendance dito? There are days that you feel you don't want to do it. There are days that you feel your energy is low. There are days that you don't feel well. And you know what? It's okay. It's okay. Repeat it to yourself. It's okay. Rest when you know that you need it, but don't quit. Don't ever quit. Rest if you must, but never ever quit. Okay, number 4 on how to stick yourself with your fitness journey is to make it fun. Yeah, you heard it right. Make it fun. Do you agree that fitness is boring? The truth is, yes. Fitness can be very, very boring, and that is one of the reasons why people quit in their fitness journey. But fitness can also be fun. That is why I have mentioned earlier that you need to find or choose a physical activity or a thing that you love doing and you enjoy doing. This is very crucial for starters because you need to find the thing that you love most. Why? Because we need to find the thing that will make us love fitness. Our goal is to stick with the fitness journey. We wanted to make our fitness part of our lifestyle, part of our habit, so we won't be like dragging ourselves to working out. We will not be dragging ourselves to fitness thing, but we love it. As a starter, very crucial to find the thing that you love most because you wanted to find that love for fitness. You have to love fitness at the first sight. You have to love the fitness for the first try. In my experience with the fitness, people quit because meron silang bad experience about the fitness. For example, let us say, first day mo mag-fitness exercise. Tapos, pinag 50 jumping jacks ka. E di ikaw to, pagod na pagod ka. At tapos, after ng session na yun, ayoko na. Sobrang nakakapagod mag-workout. And you don't want to feel that pagod kasi it's very discomforting for you. It is a thing na hindi sana yung body mo to be doing. So that is why I mentioned start simple, gradually progress. Do not start with the complicated things. Do not start with the things na looks cool on the Instagram, or do not start with the thing na ay trendy to. Ito yung i-workout ko. So we won't go for that. So make fitness fun and enjoyable for you like I've mentioned earlier. Remember, find the things that you love so you won't be doing it for the sake of doing it, and you won't be doing it because other people are doing it, and you won't be doing it because it looks cool. Don't do such exercises if you know for yourself that you are not happy to. Don't feel pressured by the people around you. Don't do it because everybody's doing it. And then, here you are not happy pala doing it. You are not required to go to the gym if you are a kind of person who loves outdoors. You are not required to do a dance fitness class if you know for yourself that dance doesn't like you. Oh, no. If you don't like dancing. There are a lot of kinds and types of fitness. That is why fitness is for everyone. Fitness is for everybody. Fitness is for you regardless of what fitness level you have right now. Fitness is not only for the bodybuilders. Fitness is not only for the gymnasts. Fitness is not only for the people who do sports. Fitness is not only for the people who have the equipment. Fitness is not only for the people who loves doing the gym. Fitness is not only for the people who loves high intensity training. Fitness is not only for the people who are flexible. Fitness is really for everybody. Regardless of what kind or type of level of fitness you have, fitness is definitely for you. It's for everyone. Remember that make fitness fun for you so you will stick with your fitness journey and make it part of your lifestyle. Number 5 is to make or write your fitness journal. Journaling your progress is so essential when you really wanted to stick on your fitness journey. Here, you can see your progress. It's a track of where you started and where you currently are. Also, you can well manage your workout time, making sure that you can have an efficient workout for every schedule. Schedule for a timely reassessment and see what you need working on in achieving your goals. Journaling is very important because ayun lang yung track mo to look back where you have started. To look back last week, anong performance mo last week, at anong magiging goal mo this week. Need mo bang mag-increase, mag-level up, or kailangan mo ng rest? If you wanted to get help with a fitness journal, I'll be sharing with you a free downloadable fitness journal or fitness calendar. I will be sending the link on the description box. It's totally free. You can use it any way you want it. So that's how I can help you with how to stick with your fitness journey and how to get record with your fitness journey. So make sure to see the description box. I will be sharing with you link and download the fitness journal on that link. It's totally free and I'll give it to you. Number 6 is macros over fat diets. Macros is short for macronutrients, which are carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Choosing macro tracking is much worth your fitness journey than fad diets. Again, fitness should not restrict you with anything including food. It should allow you to enjoy it and to not go very stressful over it. Fitness should help you build a better relationship with the food. There are a lot of online platforms that can help you compute with your daily calories. But if you find this thing very tedious to work, don't count calories. Remember, go with the basic and go simple. Just go head on to Google, check on the required daily nutrients that your body will need. Go with the basic standard nutrition plate or the food pyramid. Okay, last but not the least for this video is to never go hard on yourself. Again, repeat after me. Never go hard on yourself. Say it to yourself, never go hard on myself. Remember, gaining weight does not happen overnight, so as losing weight won't be happening overnight. So if you know for yourself that you have been gained for this past couple of months because of the lockdowns and quarantines and all, you know na hindi ka nag-gain instantly. Hindi mo na-gain yung extra weight instantly. So, expect then that losing those weight won't happen over a week. Losing that weight won't happen overnight. So, same if your goal is to build muscle or to gain weight, know that it is not impossible. It's very doable. But everyone, please be patient with your progress. So, remember, from the basic, your smart planning, your timeline, and always keep in mind that this is not a race. It is more like a marathon. So it's a journey. So I will definitely recommend that you enjoy your journey. Just enjoy the journey. Don't feel very pressured about it, because remember, you are not competing with other people. The competition here is the competition you have for yourself. Alright, never ever compare your progress to others' progress, because yun nga, magkakaiba tayo ng timeline. Kahit saan yan, kahit anong plan yan, kahit anong goal yan, fitness goal man o sa other career goal or life goals, kahit anumang goal yan, never ever compare yourself to anyone. If there is someone that you will be comparing into, it's yourself yesterday. It's your yesterday self. Be one step ahead from who you are yesterday, and look forward to who you will be becoming tomorrow, and what progress you will be achieving the next day. Those people that you are following over the Instagram, your fitness idols, it's okay for motivation, but remember that they got there because they really work hard for that body. They really work hard for that, and it doesn't happen to them overnight. Even if you ask them, and they are sustaining it, it was built for years and was continually sustaining it. And I hope so you too. When you have achieved your goal, continue with your fitness journey, continue to be sticking your fitness with your lifestyle, and sustain the goal and continually progress. What really matters today as you watch this video is for you to start and make it part of your lifestyle. Part of your lifestyle is as if you are natural breathing for air. Diba? Hindi mo na iniisip kung paano huminga, diba? So, same with the fitness journey. It becoming part of your lifestyle, it becoming part of who you are. So again, I hope this video helps you stick with your fitness journey. If you have any more suggestions on how to stick yourself into a fitness journey or a fitness lifestyle, let me know on the comment section below. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!